All right, thanks a lot for that. Of course, the Yellen speech has kept equities as subdued as they have kept commodities, Manisha. Well, with that, let's switch over to, some more trading ideas coming your way. This is our Super 6 segment, so 6 more ideas.
We have a first buy call on Federal Bank for a target of 56.5 and stop loss can be placed at 50.50. After a long consolidation, this stock has now managed to give a breakout from its multiple resistance zone of 51 on a closing basis. The volume activity has picked up substantially during the session. We have an immediate target of 56.5 and it can be bought by keeping strict stop loss at 50.50.
Our first trading idea is Motherson Sumi. From important support of 89-day exponential moving average, stock gave a good bounce. Stock will continue to trade higher and higher, continuing with its primary trend, which is up. Directional indicator 2 showing the stock is in uptrend. So one can buy Motherson Sumi with a price target of 286, maintain a stop below 268.
The first one is on Glenmark. I think the way the Glenmark has formed a good symmetrical triangle pattern on the daily charts, and on the hourly charts what I see is it has completed the wave E, that is the final leg of this consolidation in the short term. I think the probability is quite high for a breakout on the upside because the momentum indicators are well into the buy mode. So one can buy Glenmark for a target of 902 and for that one can place a stop loss at 850.
Our other buy call would be on Siemens for a target of 1250 and stop loss can be placed at 1145. Yesterday we saw a good traction in this counter from lower levels of 1150 with a rise in volumes. The daily chart certainly looks good and the stock is now poised for a breakout beyond 1200. We have an immediate target of 1250 and it can be bought on any dip by keeping a strict stop loss at 1145.
Our second trading idea would be buy on a BHEL. Stock gave a good bounce from lower levels. If intraday chart is analyzed, we observed that the stock gave a trend line breakout if it is joined by two important swing high, 135 and 130. We will foresee the stock moving higher till the level of 138. So one can buy BHEL with a price target of 138, maintain a stop below 124.
The second buy recommendation is on PNB. I think this stock has formed a good impulse move on the hourly charts and it has also completed a zigzag corrective pattern on the hourly charts. Again, it has started to form higher tops and higher bottom. I think the way the momentum indicators have again reversed from sell to buy, the minimum target on the upside comes to 78.50. Hence, one can buy PNB for a target of 78.50 and for that one can place a stop loss at 73.50.
Okay, well, our next guest, Vinod Sharma of HDFC Securities, also joins in.